Hi everyone, I'm back with a very interesting spring craft for our younger ones. For that, we need a paper plate, and this is a cutout of half of the paper plate. I have used an ivory sheet for that, a jute rope, a hole puncture, some artificial and paper flowers, poster paints, water and brushes, Fevicol. Now let's get started. First, paint the base of the paper plate light green and dark green shading. At some places, just add light green and some places dark green. Add thick poster paint. Do not use too much of water. The rim of the plate, blue color. If kids want to paint them in different colored, it is okay. Now paint the semicircle piece which we have cut from the ivory sheet sky blue and paste it to the full paper plate, something like this, so that there is a space in between the plate and the semicircle slice, just like a basket. Now I am tying a jute rope on the two sides by making hole punch. Let kids arrange the flowers and the paper flowers in the slot in between the plate and make their own arrangements. These are some leftover flowers or the plastic flowers which we use for decoration in houses. Alternately, kids can carry this basket in the garden and collect some fresh flowers. Now, once the arrangement is done, kids can decorate the basket as ever they like. Here I am using calligraphy technique by using Tombow pens, and I am writing welcome spring, and then I am going to decorate the basket by adding few poster paint flowers. For making the flowers, kids can use earbuds, or if they want to stick some stickers or gems, that is also fine. See how beautiful our spring basket looks. If you like our activities, do like, share and subscribe and discover the joy of creating.